back to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about an amazing product that I found on the internet, and it's a new product and I was like, I'm gonna give it a chance. I love giving the chance to these new products out there because I discovered that many of those expensive products that I see on the stores, I'm allergic to. I don't know why, I don't know what I did to deserve this, but I am allergic to them. So every time that I see a new product, I'm like, yes, I want to try this. And since I started doing that, I noticed that a lot of the products that are new on the market are really good for my skin. I have really oily skin, by the way. Like, you can fry eggs on my skin, on my face. So these two products are for the brand Masked Beauty. This is gonna be the first time that I'm gonna be trying them with you guys. We're gonna discover this new brand together. First one is exfoliating coffee and chocolate facial mask. That is to die for. It smells like super delicious. It's like so good. So good. And it comes in like this little thing, and it is 3.38 ounces, and when you open it, it looks like this. Kind of looks like, you know what? And the second one, it is this purifying charcoal and diamond facial mask, which I've been wanting to try forever because all these Instagram girls and beauty gurus on the Instagram and YouTube have been doing this mask for a while. So I was like, yes, I need to try that. Right now I'm wearing makeup, so you're gonna see my cleaning routine that I do every time I put makeup on. Like I say, I'm allergic to a lot of products, and I was trying one mascara today by Maybelline, and I turned out that I'm allergic to it. You can see on my makeup I have like a little skin here showing, and that's because my eye has been crying, and it's like the makeup went away. I feel kind of embarrassed like showing you guys my face right now. So what I do first is grab my hair. After I grab my hair like this, I grab my Hy-Vee wet wipes that are amazing for me, and they're alcohol free and all these chemicals free because it's for babies. So that's what I use to clean up my face and my mess. So I grab one of this and I'll just start cleaning my face like this. Ooh. So you want to take out like all the makeup that you can, and you have to be gentle with your face. Remember, like, this is not some crazy competition of like how fast I am to take my makeup off. So
regrets collect like old friends, here to relive your darkest moments. I can see no eye, I can see no.
So after you're done with the wet wipes, I have this micellar cleansing water from Garnier that I've been using for a couple months now, and I bought this small bottle because it was basically to try. It's a new product on the market, and it's like, this small bottle was like $3.50 or something like that. So I was just like, of course I have to try it. So what you do next is grab like a cotton ball or a cotton pad, which I used to have, but I don't have anymore now. So I grab a little bit of like a napkin or something similar that you can use to it to take like the rest of the residues of the makeup out, and I put it on my eyes. Ooh, 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 it feels so good. Like, I love this product so much. I swear, it like hydrates my skin and everything, and in every way. So this takes out like the makeup like really good. So I gotta make sure I buy this again at the supermarket. Now you can see my face. It's like got a little bit of pimples and stuff that I need to take care of. It's just this winter season has been the worst for me. So I don't know what to do with my face, but I've been trying to take care of it like a little by a little. So the first things I want to do is exfoliate my face with the coffee and chocolate facial one. Oh my god, it smells so good. And what it came with this is like this little brush that you use to put on your face. So, ooh.
Here to relive your darkest moments. I can see no lie, I can see no.
And now it says we gotta massage it. And I put some on my lips. I don't know if it's bad or not bad. So it says that after massaging it, you have to let it sit at least for 5 minutes. Be like 5 or 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, now I'm done, so I'm gonna wash my face off with this mask and see how I feel. And of course, you want to dry your face. Make sure that what you dry your face with, it's really clean, because you don't really want to have your face with weak parts. So just always get a clean towel or a napkin like this one I'm using right now. So you can see my face is totally different. It feels like it can breathe and it feels so refreshed. Oh my god, guys, you gotta get this. Like, you gotta try it like ASAP, for real. This mask smells really good. It smells like fruity. Like, if you, oh my god, whew, it smells so good. That's a color because of, you know, the charcoal one. And here's some product that I don't want to waste, so I'm gonna do this because duh, we're trying to save some money as well, right?
Your darkest moments, I can see no lie, I can see no lie. And all of the good.
Well, after doing this, if you want to be like me, you just get messy and massage your face a little bit. So this one feels like a little bit tingling, like it's tingling your face, but it's like a really cool tingling. I don't know if it's making an allergic reaction off, or it's just because it's the way it's supposed to feel. I never did this before, so I don't know. So now we gotta wait like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you want, or in between, and then I'll come back and see you guys. Okay guys, I'm back and the mask is a little bit dry. It's not completely dry, but I have stuff to do, so I cannot keep the mask till it's like completely dry, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna check it out and let's see how my skin glows after this. Oh, just so you know, that tingling on my face went away like a couple minutes after. So I think that's the feeling you're supposed to be getting. Let's check out my face. Oh, I was not supposed to say that. Okay, I just washed it off, and again, you want to use something like that's clean, so that's why I'm grabbing these paper towels that are amazing. I'm gonna dry my skin and we're gonna see how it is. Now you can see the result. My skin is like glowing. It's like I'm wearing a natural highlighter. It feels so good, so great. I definitely recommend this brand when it comes to masking. My face feels super refreshed after wearing all that makeup on. So my face can breathe now and it feels good, feels awesome. Boo, 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 boo. So go ahead, try it. Now that everything is set and done, you guys can go to the supermarket that it could be close to your house. I'm gonna leave the link below where you can buy it online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you have been following me for a while, just stay tuned because I'm gonna be having more videos for you. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic week, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. I love you all.